Good morning, student. Ninth standard, social science, unit third, atmosphere. It's a continuation of atmosphere. In last class, we see about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is comprised of layers based on temperature. These layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, meosphere, and thermosphere. And learning objectivities and introduction. Composition of the atmosphere, number of gas mixing in the atmosphere, structure of atmosphere. There are different structure of atmosphere. Weather and climate. What is weather? What is climate? Difference between weather and climate. Now see wind. Wind, it means in short moving air is called wind. The wind is a current of air that is moving across the earth surface. Wind is the movement of air caused by the uneven heating of earth by the sun and the earth's own rotation. Wind is the movement of air caused by the uneven heating of the earth by the sun. The winds always blow from a high pressure area to low pressure area. The wind always blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. An anemometer record wind speed, and while wind van measure the direction of the wind. The unit of measurement is kilometer per hour or knot. Types of wind. Winds are generally classified into four major types: planetary winds, periodic winds, variable wind, and a local wind. First, we see planetary winds. What is planetary wind? The wind constantly blows throughout the year in particular direction or same direction. We call planetary winds. These planetary winds include trade wind, westerly wind, and a polar easterly wind. First, we see the trade wind. The trade winds are winds that reliably blow east to west. It means north and south of the equator. Trade winds are helping the sailing the ship in westward ocean crossing. That's why these winds are called the trade winds. Those days, the traders mostly depend these winds to sail the ship in ocean. Westerly wind. The westerly wind or anti-trade winds from the western direction to eastern direction. It's originate from the high pressure area. The name of this unique wind comes from western direction. The westerly play an important role in carrying the warm winds. Polar easterly winds. Polar easterly winds carried are dry, cold planetary winds that blow from the east side. Periodic winds. The winds which change their direction periodically with the change in seasons are known as periodic wind. Different season. Now in India we have here there are two seasons, southwest monsoon season and northeast monsoon season. They blow during the particular time of the day or years. Variable wind and cyclones. Cyclones are rapid inward air circulation around a low pressure area. The air circulates in an anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Cyclone causes usually accompanied by violent storm and bad weather. It speed about nearly 30 to 50 kilometers an hour. These cyclones are can be classified into three: tropical cyclone, temperate cyclone, extratropical cyclone. Local winds. Local winds are winds that blow over a limited area. Local winds blow between low and high pressure system. That is low pressure to high pressure area. It originates in near to ocean, sea, lake or mountain ranges. It also affected local areas. Sea breeze and land breeze are two familiar category of local winds. Sea breeze blow from sea to land. Land breeze blow to land to sea. Clouds. What is clouds? A visible mass of condensed water or condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere high above ground called clouds. A visible mass of condensed water or condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere high above the ground called clouds. Do you see the sun had disappeared behind a cloud? A cloud is a mass of water drop or ice crystal suspended in the atmosphere. Clouds are an important part of Earth weather and climate. It play a very major part to determine the weather and climate in our planet. According to their height, clouds are classified into the following types: high cloud, middle clouds, low clouds. High clouds nearly 6 to 20 km height from the Earth's surface. Middle clouds 2.5 km to 6 km height from the Earth's surface. Low clouds ground surface to 25 km height. Precipitation: water that fall from the clouds towards the ground, especially as a rain or snow, we call precipitation. The main influencing factors of the precipitation is temperature, altitude, cloud type, atmospheric condition, and precipitation process. These are the main factor for precipitation. The main form of precipitation include drizzle, rain, sleet, snow, hailstone rain, etc. Rainfall: water falling in drops condensed from vapor in the atmosphere is called a rainfall. Water falling in drops condensed from vapor in the atmosphere is called a rainfall. There are three types of rainfall. Convectional rainfall, cyclonic rainfall, orographic rainfall. Convectional rainfall or 4 o'clock rainfall. What is convectional rainfall? Convectional rainfall occur when the energy of the sun heat the surface of the earth. It occurs commonly during the daytime. This heating result in the formation of convectional rainfall. It is also called 4 o'clock rainfall. It occurs generally midday. It usually occurs at about 4 p.m. So it is called a 4 o'clock rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic activities causes cyclonic rainfall, and it generally occurs along the before of the cyclone. This rain fall gradually for a few hours to a few days. Orographic rainfall. Orographic precipitation, rain, snow or other precipitation produced when mist air is lifted as it moves over a mountain range. This rainfall called orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall means precipitation, rain, snow or other precipitation produced when mist air is lifted and moves over a mountain range. This rainfall called orographic rainfall. During this time, windward side of the mountain get heavy rainfall. Other side of the leeward side of the mountain get very low rainfall. Humidity. What is humidity? A quantity representing the amount of water or water vapor in the atmosphere in gas is called humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity is nothing but the water vapor present in the air we call the humidity. Humidity refers to how much water vapor in the air. Generally, the more water vapor there is, the more humidity that area or place. We observe during the morning time or early morning time, air is so cool. Upon the air get more humidity. Okay, student. So far, we discussed about atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surround the Earth planet. It's a main reason for our Earth planet living beings or living things live here. The major gas in the atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen. The five layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, meosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Atmosphere get heated through conduction. Wind is the horizontal movement of air. We call wind. Wind blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. There are four types of wind or permanent or planetary wind, periodic wind, local wind, and variable wind. Cyclone is an area of low pressure surrounding by high pressure. Anticyclone is an area of high pressure and are surrounded by low pressure. Cloud, a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the air we call the clouds. According to the height, clouds are classified into high clouds, middle clouds, and low clouds. The main form of precipitation are drizzle, rain, snow, sleet, hail, etc. Thank you, student. Please follow the assignment given in the PDF.